Hello everybody. Bringing you another unboxing. Today is the French Blue 13s. Just got them in the mail yesterday, so I'll be doing unboxing for you guys right now. For those that haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe. I have over 70% of people that, traffic that just pulls up. They see the video, they like, they comment, but nobody subscribes. Come on, show some love. Anyways, these are them. Super clean shoe, in my opinion. What do you guys think? You got leather on the top, little red detailing on the bottom to match the Jumpman on the tongue. You got this suede-like material, one along the midsole. Very clean, casual shoe. You can wear this on a, chilling day. Some jeans and a white tee, or a nice little jacket, however y'all prefer. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I personally think it is a clean, casual shoe. Like I said, nothing crazy. None of those crazy colors to make it pop out. So I feel like these shoes, anybody can wear them. John the Don concluding this. Please like, share, and subscribe. Highly appreciated, everybody. I will be dropping more content coming soon. This year I will definitely be more active as a YouTuber. So please show some love. Thank you, everybody.